Welcome back, YouTube. It is a great day to be different. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. Yes, sir. We got a ball fade for you, and we're going to jump right into it. So first things first, we're going to brush, comb, lay everything down. We are searching for any type of inconsistencies or anything that's going to prevent us from giving this man a nice haircut. Yes, sir. Here goes the first stage of the fading process. We're going to punch in that bald line. We're going to start at the bottom of the vertical bar, and we're going to walk it all the way to the other side. All the way to the bottom of the other vertical bar, as you can see right there. Nice and even. Yes, sir. Very important to be nice and neat on your canvas. It's going to help a whole bunch. So we're going to move on to the debulking stage, and we're going to start off with the one guard closed. A little less than wavelength. Again, my man's doesn't have any waves, so we're not really trying to preserve anything. We are just making sure that it's nice and even. We're going to cut all the way through. We're going to finish all the way through the front edge up, as you can see right there. Very important that it is even all the way around, even all the way through the edge up. It's going to help, especially prepping for the lineup process. As you can see right here, we're going to throw some hairspray on it, get it to hold. Yes, sir. We're going to brush it in, and we're going to let that sit and dry. So we're moving on to the next stage. No guard all the way open. And we're going to go about an inch. Using your brush to clean off any debris. As you can see right there, we're going to zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can see a little bit better. Go over it a couple times if you need to. Make sure it's nice and even. Then we're going to move on to the one guard second notch, and we're going to go up about another inch. We debulked on the top with the one guard, so we should not have to go any higher than a one guard. That is our longest length. So we're going to fade right into it. Keeping that one guard on, we're going to open it, and we're going to start our detail process. We are feathering, using nothing but your corners, attacking nothing but the dark spots, and it's going to blend right into each other, just like that. Take that line out. Very nice and smooth. Once it's gone, we're going to snap on that half guard. Start off closed, work your way up midway, and then eventually all the way open. Again, it's a one guard on the top, so half plus half, you do the math. When you open it all the way, it becomes a one. Half guard with the lever all the way open, you can fade right into the one, as you can see right there. So once that's nice and blended, we got rid of the lines. We're gonna move down to the no guard. We're gonna start off closed, attack that bald line, move up midway, as you see me hitting that lever, and then eventually all the way open. And this fade is coming together real nice and smooth. His hair just absolutely melts off, especially with these JRLs. Makes it a lot easier, speeds up time, and we're gonna move on. Yes, sir. We're gonna detail just a little bit more. Feathering, attacking nothing but the dark spots, using nothing but your corners. Hit, brush, hit, brush, hit, brush. Very, very important. Yes, sir. Reaching in the bag, we're going to use another technique called the claw method right here. It's very important to have multiple different techniques, man. Then we're going to bald out the rest of the head so you can see the fade just a little bit better. Make sure it's nice and clean. And we're going to move on to the other side. It's the exact same steps. I'm going to let you guys have it. We'll be back for the edge up. All right. Well, we are back for the lineup process. As you can see, we're going to start right in the middle. Again, we used that hairspray earlier to get this hair to freeze so that it will melt off just like it is right now. We're going to start off in the middle. We're going to walk it to the left. And then we're going to go back to the middle and start walking it to the right. Doesn't matter which way you walk first. I'm usually standing on the left side. That's how my station is set up. Yes, sir. Then we're going to attack that vertical bar. Throw some pencil on it for some contour. Same thing on the other side. Make sure that corner is in there. Attack that vertical bar. Yes, sir. Then we're going to slap some pencil on it for some contour. Now we're going to move on to the enhancement stage. Didn't use any wet enhancements. Didn't think it was necessary. So we're going to go straight into the dry. As you can see, we're only attacking the lighter spots. Keeping the nozzle moving, sweeping at all times is going to prevent you from over applying in one spot. Once we have the fibers exactly where we want, we're going to throw some hairspray behind it to get it to hold, get it to stick so that it does not move. Same thing on the other side. Apply the fibers, hit it with the hairspray, follow up with the blow dryer, make sure it's nice and frozen, and then we are going to clean up. Make sure the lineup is even. As you can see on this side, the pencil pushed real nice and easy. It's going to give it that razor blade look without having to use a razor blade. But this side, I had a little difficulty. Pencil didn't push the way that I wanted it to. It just happens like that sometimes. Sometimes one side works, sometimes the other does not work the way you want. So we're going to use our tools. We're going to apply some hot sauce on it. It's going to help me wet that pencil and push that pencil over a lot easier, as you can see right there. Then we're going to mop up anything that we don't like with a Q-tip. Clean up any overspray. Hand my man's the mirror. He can get a good look at himself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. We're going to get the nod of approval. That boy feeling himself. He can't wait to get home. He acting up already. But you guys remember what he came in looking like, man. Yes, sir. You guys remember. He came to be different. Yes, sir. That's clean. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think, man. It's Kriispy. We out of here. Peace.